Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Microsoft Word, Teams and Tricks. And in today's video, I will show you step-by-step guide on how to export your MS Word file to XPS and keep the formatting of your file and document without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on File. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you come down below right here. Go ahead and click on More. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on Export. And then you are here. Next thing you want to do right here is to navigate to PDF or XPS document. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you click on PDF or click on Create PDF or XPS. And this window here is going to pop up right here. And next thing you want to do is to go ahead and choose your file location. So I'm going to save this in desktop right here, and I'm going to go ahead and choose my folder. So I'm going to save this file in one of my folder right here, recovery folder right here, and I'm going to go ahead and make sure I click on Save as Type right here. Make sure I choose XPS document, and then come down below right here and go ahead and hit on Publish, and you are done. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and locate the folder. So I'm going to bring out the folder right here. So I have the folder in my desktop right here, and where I save it is this particular recovery MS Word file right here, and we have the file right here as XPS file format. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial tips and tricks on how best to use your Microsoft Word, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.